Hi, I'm Chris Clark, and I founded Titan Precious Metals. Titan Precious Metals is a fastener and accessory component company. So pretty much they manufacture bolts, we manufacture lug nuts, we manufacture studs, a whole additional line of fastener style products. Titan Precious Metals utilizes titanium for its header bolts and lug nuts currently. In the aftermarket, titanium is top dog. If you're talking about a metal, stainless steel, mild steel, titanium is always going to be the best grade and strongest material you can use. So with your highest level turbo kit, like what Armageddon Turbo Systems provides, Titan Precious Metals comes standard with all of those kits to attach the turbo headers to your engine. This allows you to bring professional grade technology to your everyday street car.